The variety of affordable electric motorcycles is rapidly increasing, but finding a model capable of highway speeds can still be challenging. To simplify your research, today we will cover the most affordable e-bikes that can do at least 80 miles or 130 kilometers per hour on the freeway. The lineup will include current market bestsellers and the best upcoming models from promising startups. Subscribe to our channel to promote the electric revolution and drive the prices even lower. Let's get technical. Fully electric motorcycles quite reserved design-wise, but the Eric Buell's latest creation is definitely an exception to the rule. The elegant and futuristic Fuel Flow features a distinctive rear wheel with blackout covers hiding the patent-pending electric motor, which is claimed to output 48 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The latter enables the Flow to sprint from 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds. Its sustained speed reaches 55 miles per hour, while short acceleration is possible at 85 miles per hour. Finally, housing the powertrain and the braking system at the rear wheel allows to reduce weight and free space in the monocoque magnesium chassis to offer 50 liters of integrated storage. The story of the Goa native startup Kabira Mobility began back in 2017, but until this year, the company's production efforts were mostly focused on scooters. In 2021, Kabira brings to the market two highway-capable motorcycle models that run on electric power. Both get IP67 waterproof hub motors from Delta EV, 4.4 kilowatt-hour battery packs, and 3 ride modes that impact the maximum range. In case of the KM3000, the system's peak output reaches 8 horses and 62 miles per hour, while the KM4000 raises the bar to 11 HPs and 75 miles per hour. Both models get advanced smart dashboard with Bluetooth connectivity and keyless start, plus there is a full LED lighting for the KM4000. Back in the day, Sonders managed to satisfy the market demand for the affordable yet high-quality electric bicycles. But in 2021, the time has come for a new challenge. The next chapter in the Sonders story will be an attempt to revolutionize the class of electric motorcycles with a low-cost model capable of highway riding. The Metacycle has gorgeous hollow aluminum frame design and a retro-inspired halo headlight. The rear hub motor generates up to 19 horsepower at the peak, so don't be surprised to notice 80 miles per hour on speedometer. The new commuting tool by Storm Sonders can cover an 80-mile ride, weighs 200 pounds, and possesses some worthy components like vibrate brakes, a wireless charger, and a smart screen. Make your input in the development of electric vehicles by smashing the like button. And thanks for the feedback. Let's get back to it. Zero's original street naked e-bike remains a solid buy in 2021, especially after the transition to the 7.2 kilowatt-hour battery and a more powerful motor without a significant price hike. In this configuration, the powertrain makes 46 horsepower, 78 pound-feet of torque, and provides from 45 to 89 miles of riding. The top speed is a bit shy of 100 miles per hour, so any maneuvers within the speed limit won't be an issue. The Zero S possesses sporty ergonomics, 31.8-inch seat height, sharp fairing lines, and single front headlight. Unless a power tank is installed, the fuel tank can be used as a convenient lockable storage. The Urban series from the Hong Kong-based Evoque motorcycles includes two models, Classic and S. Both get the same drivetrain configuration but have different exterior styling and headlight design. The bikes come powered by a 6-inch wide brushless hub motor that delivers 25 horsepower and 86 pound-feet of torque, enabling 81 miles per hour speeds. They can also accelerate to 37 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Starting from 2020, the Urban Series two-wheelers come equipped with updated power controllers, ride on dual compound tires, and can cover up to 125 miles on a charge. India's first performance-oriented electric motorcycle is displayed steady R&D progress, and the company has already posted a video with the road testing footage. The Ultraviolette F77 has a powerful sports design with 3 striking paint schemes: lightning, shadow, and laser. Its 34 horsepower air-cooled motor delivers 332 pound-feet of torque to the wheel, which translates to zippy 3 seconds 0 to 37 miles per hour acceleration. The range is getting close to 90 miles on a charge, but the modular battery pack can be easily swapped. A USD fork suspends the front, and a preload adjustable shock absorber cushions the ride in the rear. Lastly, Ultraviolette prides itself for the superior connectivity of the bike and a smart user interface with a bright TFT display. Initially expected to go on sale in Europe in 2020, the Mini City Racer, or MCR, from the Taiwanese Auto Bikes has now been delayed for a launch in 2021. The model will arrive in the new generation mid-motor configuration, powered by a 14 horsepower liquid-cooled motor and large battery, packing 140 miles of range. The torque output is rated at 200 pound-feet at the rear wheel and 22 at the shaft, while the max speed is claimed to reach 87 miles per hour. The two-wheeler gets a rich package of standard features, including Brembo disc brakes, full-color TFT screen, and a headlight with a light sensor. On the Taiwanese market, the bike will also be available in a less powerful modification with a 6-horse hub motor, 62 mph speeds, and identical exterior design. Supermoto credentials dictate that the FXS should be used for track racing and stealthy cutting through the concrete jungle. However, as any other Zero, this is a highway-rated machine that puts to work the Z-Force motor with direct drive through a carbon fiber belt. It peaks at 27 horsepower, 78 pound-feet of torque, and possesses 85 miles per hour top speed. The modular battery can have 3.6 and 7.2 kilowatt-hour capacity, which ensures 37 and 75 miles of range in the combined cycle. By any measurement, this is a premium product with twin projector headlights, detailed LCD dashboard, adjustable Showa suspension, Bosch Gen 9 ABS, and Pirelli tires. Hand-built in Cleveland, Ohio district is a small electric moped, but is offered in 2 limited production versions, both equipped with pedals. It gets 4 power levels, operating with pedal assist, on throttle only, and when its full potential is unleashed as a true e-motorcycle. The district can reach 65 miles per hour speeds, while thanks to its hot swap battery system with up to 2 packs, it's still good for 80 to 160 miles of riding. The bike gets a non-adjustable inverted front fork and piggyback rear suspension, Magura brakes, and Michelin Pilot tires. Depending on the modification, it weighs 150 to 175 pounds. Participate in the conversation below the video and mention your favorite electric vehicle from today's lineup. Like this video to support the electric revolution, and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss the latest EV news. Check out the suggested episodes on the screen, and we'll see you later.